Hey viewers, today we are going to take a look at Inventa's all-new Ora LED Bulkhead. This comes in two different wattages, the 12 watt and the 20 watt, and also comes in three different color variations: 6500 Kelvin for cold white, 4500 Kelvin for neutral, and 3000 Kelvin for warm white. To find this product, use the product code BLK20C, where the 20 stands for watt difference and C stands for cold color temperature. They also have N and Y corresponding to neutral and warm white color variations respectively. Now let's unbox this and find what's inside. Inside the box, we can find the light itself. It looks so aesthetic. Moving on to its features. The body and the diffuser both are made out of high-grade polycarbonate material, making sure this light is unbreakable, highly durable, and resistant to color fading, ensuring its long-term usage.
It comes with a rating of IP67, which means literally it's dust, rust, and waterproof.
Inside the light, you'll find high-quality LEDs that provide excellent brightness without any dark spots or LED glares that produce eye strain.
Additionally, this product comes with 6 kVA surge protection driver, which helps the light stabilize high voltage fluctuations. And in case the light needs to be repaired, the company offers a 2-year warranty period as well.
The company is offering you 1-year warranty period. Both the product and the driver are registered with BIS certification. The body of the light is designed for easy wall mounting purposes. Slide the wall mount clamp out and secure it on the wall with screws. And once it's done, slide it again inside for a smooth, innovative slide lock mechanism which makes the fixing very easy. Okay, let's see how the light looks right now. We are now going to plug the light in the current supply. Wow, the light looks so rich and royal, and it's perfect for your place. Finally, we have reached the end of this video. It's worth mentioning both of these products are completely manufactured in India, with Inventa's mass producing unit currently situated in Pallikaranai, Chennai. If you have any product related queries or need assistance with replacement or warranty, please don't hesitate to call the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now, or reach out to us at support@inventa.in. Thanks for watching the video.